Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Utrefon. In today's video I want to show you how to make jollof rice, Nigerian jollof rice. So just stay tuned and watch till the end. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add my butter to it. Then I will add my oil, my vegetable oil. You can use any kind of oil of your choice. You can use coconut oil or you can use olive oil, so it's up to you. So my butter has melted, so now I'm gonna add my onion. I've sliced my onion into small pieces. So you're gonna just mix everything together. So I have blended my tomato. This tomato is with pepper. You can use a red pepper, scotch bonnet, or any pepper of your choice. So I added onion, garlic and everything. I mix it and blend it. So now I'm gonna pour it together with this. So I will cover it for about 10 minutes, then we will come back to it. So I'm gonna check it now. Alright, good. So now I'm gonna add my tomato paste. Since the water has dried off, so you just mix all your tomato paste together. The reason why I cook the fresh one first, because it has water, so I wanted the water to dry so that it will not taste sour. So you keep on mixing it. So I'm gonna add my chicken stock to loosen it. So I'm gonna add a little water to loosen it also, but you need to check the quantity of water so that it will not be too watery. So you need to check. If you have enough rice, that's when you add a lot of water. So right now I will add my rice. I've washed my rice with hot water, so you just to pour the rice together. So you mix it. So right now I'm gonna add my thyme. So mix it very well. So now, since after you put the rice and mix everything together, you have to make sure your stove on a medium heat. Now I'm going to add my foil. So this foil, the reason why I had this, because it will make the rice to give a very nice taste when the rice is like burning a little bit. So it will, all the flavor will go inside. You don't need to bring out the flavor out. So just cover your foil like this and let it steam for about 20 minutes. After that, we'll come back to check. So we are going to check how the rice is cooking. Okay. So right now I'll add my vegetables. Still going to cover it for 10 minutes. We'll come back to it. So guys, we're going to check how the rice is cooking. Smells good. So I'm going to stir it together. Just mix all. Ooh, look at that. Did you see that? Looks nice and smells good. I'm gonna test it. So I will just let it steam. Let it steam for 5 minutes. We'll come back to it. Hello guys, this is the end of this jollof rice. As you can see, everything came out perfectly, and this jollof rice tastes amazing, so delicious. So if you've not tried, just try. Just follow my direction the way I showed you. It's gonna come out the same way. So the only favor I need from you now is to subscribe to my channel, share this video to help someone. Okay, don't forget to turn on your notification so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for watching. Love you. Bye.